Today I will be unboxing a Chromebook that is under $100. This has a 4GB RAM, 64GB, and it's a Chromebook from Lenovo. Alright, so we're just gonna get right to it. So this is an 11-inch computer. Alright, let's see the computer. It seems like laptops are getting cheaper and cheaper. So this is the Chromebook itself. Let's power it on. Has no power. I'm gonna charge this and come. It's actually pretty fast. This actually takes USB-C to charge it, which makes it so convenient. It has a micro SD card slot, and it has a USB.